In my last video, I did a physical vision board, which I have linked below. I'll also put a link for it up here as well. But now I'm going to be showing you how I make my digital vision board. A digital vision board is great because it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. It takes up no room except on your phone and your laptop as a background. You can also get more creative with your digital vision board. So before you start getting all of your images, the first thing you need to do is actually compile a list of everything you're going to need and all the different sections of your vision board. An idea of what you're looking for, you can keep clicking back into it to remind yourself of the images that you're looking for. Another very important thing is to be very, very specific when you're trying to come up with images for your vision board. So when you're writing your list, you don't want to just say something like get healthy, but like you want to be more specific. So you want to say, I want to get stronger, I want to become more flexible, consistent, like I said before. So you want to have a more definite image of what you're looking for, so that when you look at the images on your vision board, or they trigger you to go towards your goals or make more specific decisions when you're going through life and trying to accomplish things. When you're compiling your images, you can use a couple of different places. I personally just used Pinterest. I find Pinterest images are great because you can click into the images and then underneath them, when you scroll down, you have more of the same images to keep a theme going on your vision board. I see a lot of girls, they choose like a color theme for their vision boards, or like browns, pastels, autumn look to it, or a winter look if you're doing it by season. Whatever way you want to compile your images, a great place to go is Pinterest. You can also use Google Images, Tumblr, you can use Instagram. I found Pinterest brilliant. So I would type in whatever image I was looking for. So for one particular section, I wanted to do it on strength, and I found a cartoon image of a girl I really liked, and I clicked into her and I downloaded that image. And when I scrolled down, I found more of the similar kind of concept of like these cartoon images that motivate me to want to get fit and healthy and stronger. These images need to inspire action in you. If they do not inspire you to get up and go, then you should not be using them. So this is the great thing, like I said, with your digital vision board. If you have images on there and you're looking at it every day, but you don't feel inspired towards your goals, then you need to change those images and find images that are very visually pleasing for you and motivating. So when you read those things first thing in the morning, when you're doing your meditating or something like that, and you see those images on your phone or your laptop, it kind of drives you towards taking action in your own life towards achieving your dream life and manifestation. I use Canva. It's free. You can upload all of your images. They also come with great images within Canva as well that you can use to stick onto your board. You can create your own sayings or your own words within it. And they also give you the option of a phone wallpaper. So at this stage, I had my list made, I found all my images, I downloaded them onto Canva, and now it's just about placing them on the screen and making it visually pleasing for you. So when you're making your vision board, try be like exact on like the locations of where you're putting your images. Another great thing with Canva, by the way, is that you can extract the background of images. So I was able to do that. I don't know if that's in pro mode or not, but it is very handy. So there were certain images that I really liked, but I didn't need the background of them, so I could extract the image and use the image of the girl. There's one girl lifting weights. I just used that instead of using an entire. If you were making it on your phone, you cannot do that. So you'll see the difference between me making it on my laptop and me making it on my phone is that like I can extract these images, or I have to actually use the full image. But on your actual vision board, you need to have the different topics and put your images into those topics. You look at the section of your board and it's like health, and you look at it and it inspires thought and it inspires action, which is going to drive you towards your goals. I know I've said it a lot in this video, but that is the main reason you're making this vision board. So, take your time and make sure the placement of your images are really kind of make you happy. So now that you have all of your images on your board and you've placed them in the places that make you happy and has increased your energy making your digital vision board, next step is just download it and put it on your phone or your laptop or your tablet, whatever the thing you're putting it on. You just literally download it and set it to screen. And there you go. That's the finished result of my digital vision board. I really love how my whole digital vision board turned out. I think it's very inspiring to look at. I added a lot of flowers to it. I even made a couple of changes, as you can see on the bottom. I added like a lot of extra flowers and stuff into it to just make it more visually pleasing to look at. Make sure your center image, the middle image of your digital vision board, is the most inspiring image for you. So when you look at that center image, it centers you into the real big picture of what you're trying to achieve. That it really inspires thought and action. I'm going to be making a miniature vision board for one specific topic. I'm going to be doing mine on health and fitness because that's where my mind is currently at. Make sure to subscribe, and I will be posting that video on Tuesday. I honestly cannot wait to see what you guys come up with your vision boards. If you do post it on any of your socials, don't forget to tag me. All of my links are down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye!